Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making this bracelet, and if you can't tell, it's made out of staples, so the only thing you will be needing is a stapler, and it's really cheap and easy to make. So what you do basically is you just staple one, let it go down, you get it, here it is, you bend it in on both sides and just and then you get it in the stapler and try and let it staple on there, and so it hooks onto each other like this, and you just push it down and you just keep on making it until it fits your wrist or your neck if you want to make it into a necklace. So you've done it, you just want to make sure it's all tight and it's not going to come off. And yes, so after that you're going to want to make sure you've got like some loop here at the end and the other side can fit through perfectly. And if it can, then great, you can put it on your wrists, and that's it. Well, thanks for watching. This is a really nice fashionable thing. You can also buy charms and put them on here as well, but I like things plain as usual, so yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.